Hello everybody, hi YouTube. Right, summer's approaching, long summer days, nothing to do. Well, there is now. I must be mad, must be officially mad. So I bought a new project. Here we go. One Chevrolet Blazer, Chevy Blazer. I must be bonkers. I'll just give it a wash because it's been sat for 15 years without being touched, and believe it or not, it's surprisingly good nick. There's a bit of rust here, there, and the worst bit is those little those, from what I can see, there's a little bit on the bottoms of the doors, but it's just really dirty. It's a 2.8 V6 manual 4x4. Let's see if I can figure out how to open this now. That way. There we go. I think the rats have been eating the sound deaden it. But it's all there. So we'll start stripping it, cleaning it, and getting on with it. The front window's got to come out because this wants some treating, and these have perished. Mirrors, and the same this side. This one's gone as well. So and this bottom of this door is worse than the other one. So, but then that would be because that's in the gutter. But it's surprisingly clean and tidy inside. Just wants a really good valet and the headlining sorting out, but it is really good. The carpets are awesome. That's really tight. I don't think it doesn't look like the back seats have ever been sat in, to be honest. All the dash is there in good nick. Steering works. Even got the keys. 4x4 transfer lock. Hello, there's a spare wheel nut. Electric windows, electric locking. That might be a problem, but we'll find out. Needs to do door seals. Ooh. Needs a bit of lubrication. Spare wheel. Haven't opened the back yet. No, must be locked or something. I'll figure out the key with that. A couple of little bumps in the bumper. I think they did that. The people I had it off were lifting it up with a low loader and a chain, and I think they did that. And there you go, same as they did the dent in the front wing, because that looks pretty fresh just there. But there you go, it's just small bits, but all in all the wings are in damn good condition. No, there's not a lot of rust anywhere from what I can see. Chassis flat, you know, surface rust, but nothing, absolutely nothing. So that's it, it's my summer project. Should be good. I shall get it painted but leave it the same colour, so I quite like it, and it's standard Chevy colour. Tyres were all knackered. I'd got two spare tyres, put those two on to get it back. This one is holding air, but very slow puncher. That's the spare. Original's in the boot. And this one was flat as a fart, but it's actually got air. I held in air. I put air in it. So anyway, there we go. That is the next project. I must be bonkers. It's been in the UK quite a while from the look of it. It was last taxed in '98. So what's that? 15 years. Been sat for 15 years by the look of it. And surprisingly, that's in good nick for 15 years sat out. So that was this one's a hell of a lot better than that Ford Falcon pickup I did. So we'll get this one done. Right. I'll keep you up to date. Cheers for now. Thanks for watching.